Welcome, automotive enthusiasts and professionals, to the future of diagnostics. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of automotive technology with the CGSULIT SC530 Bidirectional Scan Tool. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The CGSULIT SC530 is not just a scan tool, it's a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this bidirectional scan tool is set to revolutionize your diagnostic experience. Here's a quick rundown of some of the SC530's key features. Bidirectional control. The SC530 boasts bidirectional control, allowing you to command and communicate with vehicle systems. From activating components to running specific tests, take control like never before. Comprehensive diagnostics. Uncover hidden issues with comprehensive diagnostics. The SC530 provides real-time data and DTC information, giving you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. User-friendly interface. Navigating through complex diagnostic processes has never been easier. The SC530 features an intuitive interface, making it accessible for both seasoned professionals and newcomers. Wide vehicle coverage. No matter the make or model, the SC530's extensive vehicle coverage ensures you can tackle diagnostic challenges across a wide range of vehicles. Full system diagnostics. 30+ special reset functions, over-rev report, ABS bleeding, battery registration, and more. Let's talk about the benefits. With the CGSULIT SC530, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a partner in efficiency. Time-saving solutions. Say goodbye to guesswork. The SC530 streamlines diagnostics, saving you valuable time in pinpointing issues and getting your customers back on the road faster. Increased productivity. Professionals, rejoice. The SC530 enhances your productivity, allowing you to handle more diagnostics in less time without compromising accuracy. Future-ready technology. Stay ahead of the curve with the SC530's future-ready technology. As vehicles evolve, so does the SC530, ensuring you're always equipped to tackle the latest challenges. The CGSULIT SC530 bidirectional scan tool isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate deer, embrace the power of precision with the SC530 and take your diagnostic journey to new heights. So, let's wrap things up with the pros and cons of the CGSULIT SC530. Pros: affordable, bidirectional functionality, full system diagnostics, easy to use, wide range of vehicle compatibility. Cons: limited live data parameters. Some features may require additional purchases. Overall, I think the CGSULIT SC530 is a great value for DIY car enthusiasts who want access to advanced diagnostic features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a versatile scan tool that can help you troubleshoot a variety of car issues, I definitely recommend checking it out. That's it for today's review of the CGSULIT SC530 Diagnostic Scanner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive content. If you have any questions or if you've had experience with this scanner, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.